Hi, today we're going to learn how to log in to your Google Chrome browser using a laptop or a desktop computer at home or here at school. First, you must click on your Google Chrome browser. If you don't have it, just simply download it from the internet. Now, this screen might give you a sign-in button. If it doesn't, just simply go to the right-hand side. On the little tab, there should be a person. You click on the person and it gives you the sign-in pop-up window. Here it's going to ask you for your email. Here at Airport Elementary, the first part of the email is the student's iStation username. Then it's followed by @wisd.us to complete the email. Click Next. Your password must be kept confidential, so you'll notice little dots. Students should already know their password, especially 1st through 5th grade. Their password is their iStation password. Again, it must be kept confidential. Click Next. The next window, it's going to ask you if you want to link data. You do. It's going to ask you if you're sure to sync it, and you say, okay, got it. You click on okay, got it. And it's going to bring your bookmarks. Now, most kids here at Airport Elementary already have Clever bookmarked onto their web page. If they don't have Clever, then they probably have the library. Click on the library, and you'll notice Clever on their library web page. If you don't have either one of these, then you're going to have to go the long way and type in wisd.us on the URL, find our school, airport, and then find library. Once you're there, make sure to use this little star. Click on it to bookmark it for next time. Once you're here, you simply click on Clever on either the bookmark part or the library webpage, and it's going to take you into, it's going to give you this pop-up window to ask you if you want to log in with Google. Since this child has already logged into Chrome, you would click Log in with Google, and it's going to recognize you. How do you know when somebody's logged in? You'll see their name up here on the tab. Now, once you're here, you can easily click on the login applications up here, the instant. Click on it, and it opens up your Mayan. Now, if you're signing in to a device, there's a PIN number you will need, and it can be found here. Now, I'm not going to place my browser over that little iPad device icon there, because then it's going to share his PIN number, which should stay confidential as well. If you have any questions on how to log into Mayan, contact your library staff. Now I'm going to show you how to delete the account from the computer. So if you go up onto the right-hand side and click on the name on the tab, it's going to ask you to manage people. You click on Manage People, and you'll notice the child's name. When I hover above the child's name, there's going to be 3 little dots. Click on the dots, and it's going to ask you to remove this person. You do. Remove. This should be done if you're using a computer at the public library, because you want to make sure your child's account stays safe. If you have any questions, again, contact your airport library staff. Thank you.